Night one, still feeling brave. Night two, I'm digging my grave. By night three, I've learned the sound of footsteps that don't touch the ground. Camp's fire low, my hands are numb. Every shadow asking me to come. The trees lean close like they all know where I'll be buried when I go. 99 nights, no sun, rise here. No one comes, no help appears. We run, we hide, we scream, we fight through 99 nights of endless night. Through 99 nights.
Как вы думаете, в чем секрет нашего скульптора? Умелые руки? Правильное питание? А может быть, здоровый сон? Возможно. Но самый главный секрет – это качественные материалы. К примеру, вот этот. Пластилин компании «Луч» обладает волшебными свойствами. Он очень легко разглаживается, супер мягкий и гипоаллергенный. Необычная и яркая палитра позволит вашему ребенку проявить его фантазию в полном объеме. Так, я хочу вот этот. Вы еще здесь? Тогда скорее забирайте скидку на 5% в описании.
Some kids vanish, some kids stay. Some kids laugh cause they're gone insane. Whisper in the dark, pulling at my sleeve, telling me lies I almost believe. The deer's not the only thing out here. Nope, there's voices, claws, and things unclear. Some nights feel like they never end. Some nights eat your only friend. Yummy. 99 nights, no sun, rise here. No one comes, no help appears. We run, we hide, we scream, we fight through 99 nights of endless night. Through 99 nights of endless night. Yeah. They say if you make it, you get to leave, but I don't trust what they want me to believe. What if the game just starts again with new kicks trapped the place I've been? 99 nights, no sun, rise here. No one comes, no help appears. We run, we hide, we scream, we fight through 99 nights of endless. 99 nights, no sun, rise here. No one comes, no help appears. We run, we hide, we scream, we fight through 99 nights of endless night. Yeah. Night one, still feeling brave. Night two, I'm digging my grave. By night three, I've learned the sound of footsteps that don't touch the ground. Camp's fire low, my hands are numb. Every shadow asking me to come. The trees lean close like they all know where I'll be buried when I go.